Do you know there is a place in Hyderabad where spirituality, history, and architecture all comes together in a massive experience? Hello and welcome back to our channel for another video. We are exploring Statue of Equality, which is home to the world's second tallest sitting statue. And trust me, this place is more than just that.
So the moment you enter, you'll feel the calm, composed, and the peaceful nature of this place. So there are wide open spaces, soft chants in the background, and then the statue comes into the view, which is just totally mesmerizing.
You will see a huge statue which is dedicated to Ramanujacharya, who was a saint from around 1000 years ago. What made him special was his belief that everyone is equal, irrespective of their caste, background, or their statuses. And that is where the name Statue of Equality comes from. The statue is about 216 feet tall and it is the second tallest sitting statue in the world. There is a huge complex, and in the complex, you will see 108 Divya Desams, which are the recreations of Vishnu temples from across the India all in one place. So, even if you are not religious, the craftsmanship and the detailing of these temples is something you should not miss. The statue is made from Panch Loha, which is like 5 different metals, and it is huge and it sits on a very huge platform, and you can even explore the base. From up there, the view is totally mesmerizing, and especially if you are coming during the evening, you can enjoy it during the sunset time. It's really beautiful. There is also a fountain show that happens inside during certain intervals that you can watch. Also, the photography is not allowed inside the campus. From outside, you can definitely click pictures, make videos, but inside it's not allowed. Inside the temple premise, you need to deposit your phones, footwears, everything outside before you enter, and then you can explore the entire complex. There's also a meditation hall and an exhibition gallery under the statue that explains the teaching of Ramanujacharya in a very simple way. That is something that you should definitely not miss. Honestly, that section makes you want to slow down and understand the message of equality.
So entry ticket for this place is 250 rupees per person, and for the kids it is around 150 rupees. Also there is a laser show which starts around I think 7:45 in the evening, so that you can witness if you are planning to come in the evening.
If you're planning to come here, keep a few things in mind. There will be a lot of walking involved. So if you're traveling with elders, be prepared for that. Also, set aside 2 to 3 hours to explore the area completely, and also try to come as early as possible to avoid the crowd. And if you cannot, then during the day it can get little hot. So try to come later in the evening. There are a few basic food and refreshment items available inside, and the place is very well maintained and clean. So there are proper sitting areas, clean washrooms. You will not face any issue for that. This place isn't just a regular tourist attraction. It's a reminder of a message that is relevant even today. Equality, respect, unity. Even if you visit this place for faith, architecture, or just peace, this place is surely going to leave an impact on you.
So the timings for this place is 10:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. for Monday to Friday, and on weekends it is till 8:30 p.m. If you found this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe on this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy wandering.